In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a car rental website in Wix. If you want a simple, professional website where customers can browse available cars and make reservations, Wix is a great place to start. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the initial setup steps so you can get to your website dashboard quickly and begin building the right pages. First, click Create New Site. When you do this, Wix will take you to the place where you can choose what kind of website you want to build. Take a moment to look for the main option that clearly says Creating a New Site, since that is the entry point for everything else in the process. This step matters because it starts your new project and gives Wix the context it needs to help you set up the structure. Next, click Wix Harmony Editor. You should see options related to different editors or tools within Wix. Choosing Wix Harmony Editor is important because it typically provides a more guided, modern building experience as you design your site. On screen, watch for the Harmony Editor choice. Then select it so your website builder loads in the expected layout. After that, pick Let's Go or Skip Chat. This part is basically about how interactive Wix wants to be at the beginning. If you prefer to move right into building, you can skip the chat prompt. If you want a little more guidance, you can choose Let's Go. Either option will still allow you to reach the website setup steps, so choose the one that matches your workflow and comfort level. Now, you will enter a description for your website. Type, Create a car rental website where customers can view available cars and make reservations. As you type, pay attention to the text field and make sure your wording matches the goal of your project. This matters because Wix uses your description to suggest a starting structure, so being clear about what your customers can do will help Wix generate relevant sections. Once you have entered that description, click Generate or go to Dashboard. If you click Generate, Wix will create an initial version of your site based on what you typed. If you choose Go to Dashboard, you will go straight to the main control area where you can start editing and adding elements yourself. Either way, you will be moving toward the next phase, which is customizing your site to match your business style and rental offerings. If you selected Generate, the site builder may take a short moment to prepare templates and layout suggestions. While it loads, you can keep an eye on the preview area or the screen that shows your website being assembled. If you clicked Go to Dashboard, you may land immediately in an editing view where your options are organized so you can manage pages, settings, and design. At this point, you have completed the setup foundation. You created a new Wix site, selected the Harmony Editor experience, decided how to handle the early chat prompt, provided a clear description of your car rental goals, and then moved into either generated content or the dashboard. From here, you can focus on the details that matter to your customers, such as displaying available cars clearly and making sure reservations are easy to submit. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.